Ashley here to discuss general VIZSTIM instructions for use of the visual and vestibular exercises. Start seated in a chair with your feet planted firmly on the ground. Hold the card at arm's distance away from your face. This can be done by holding it out, using the included card holder, or using a magnet on the fridge. Be sure to keep this at eye level as not to create strain by looking down. Make sure the card is clear and vision is not double. If you need glasses or contacts at this distance, wear them for the exercises. Perform the exercise until symptoms arise, push slightly into symptoms, and then stop and let the symptoms subside. Symptoms should subside within 2 minutes after stopping the exercise. If they do not, you're going too quickly or for too long. Repeat often throughout the day to promote brain change, and remember to mark 10 sessions off in your journal. There are several ways to progress each exercise to the next level, and they will not all be progressed at the same rate. Follow these guidelines to individually progress each exercise. Number 1, start seated in a chair, then progress to standing with feet wide apart and ultimately with feet together or standing on one leg. Number 2, increase your speed of each exercise as you get better until you're going as quickly as possible. Number 3, increase the time you can perform each activity as you get better. Perform the exercises within limits of your symptoms, which may only be to 5 seconds to start out, and that's okay. Make the goal of being able to perform for 60 seconds without symptom onset. Number 4, once you have succeeded with the above challenges, it is time to progress that card to the next level of your VIZSTIM kit. It is important to note that each exercise will not progress at the same pace. Some will keep you on level 1, while others seem easy to jump to level 3. This is because of the individual differences in your deficits, and there's no way to predict when the recovery will happen. Hang in there and keep going. Be sure to follow us on Instagram and Facebook for variations and new ideas.